Hi there, I hope you are doing well. So, this is another tutorial, and here I'll show you
how to edit these recordings.
I hope you are enjoying my videos. So if you are visiting very first time in my channel, so please check the description, you will find all the videos related with the Audacity. What are you waiting for? Let us jump to the tutorial right now. But make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update of this channel. Quick! Let us move to the screen. तू वो नहीं जो तू सोच रहा है, तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है, तेरी अंदर अनंत शक्ति है, पहचान उसे, निखार उसे और दिखा दे इस दुनिया को कि तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है, तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है. So we have listened what we have recorded till now. So there is some extra word I have recorded, so I have to delete this. And also we have seen there is some noise in between sentences or words. You can see some background noise are coming. So these noise are coming from your background, that is some windows, some machines, some working going on outside, or fan, or vehicle running past. So this noise can be removed in Audacity. For this, first you have to select in any area entire the wave. You can see the blank area, everywhere you will find some blank area. You just click in this way, select the blank area only. Then you have to go to the effect section. So this is the effect section where we can edit our voice. Then get the noise reduction. So this is called noise reduction. Click here. Then you don't need to do anything here. You just click get noise profile. Now the system recognized that this is called noise, and if you select all by pressing Ctrl A, then again go to effect section, then click in the noise reduction option, then say it is selected, reduce, say OK, or you can preview also if you want. Then you can click OK, and you will find the noise is reduced. See, the noise is not coming right now. In this way we can reduce the noise. Then another effect we should add in our vocal. But before applying those effects, I would like to remove these blank spaces. Just click delete. After selecting this, you can see the portion is deleted. Again, in the last, I've recorded some extra voices. So let me from here I would like to delete again. Now I can delete it. Now I have the only dialogue portion here. Then after selecting all by pressing Ctrl A, I like to go effect. Then I like to click in compression. Yeah, compressor, it is there. So the compressor is nothing but it will compress the high area of our pitch and the low area. See, this is high area, the length is higher, and this is the low area. So it will just normalize all these areas. So just press OK. If it is 19 or 18, then it is OK, and it should be 3.8.1. it is the best setting ratio. And attack time, then in this Audacity it is only 30 seconds we have, but release time should be 50 milliseconds if it is possible. Now we can preview it. Then we can click OK. Otherwise you can see, select the high area and low area, then click to effect, then go to compressor so that you can best result. Then it is already done, so just preview it.
तू वो नहीं जो तू सोच रहा है, तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है.
Now click OK, but before clicking OK, select all, then go to compressor again and click OK, so that we can apply the compressor in all section of our vocal. So now it is compressed. Now we can listen the high area. If it is
तू वो नहीं जो तू सोच रहा है, तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है.
okay, it is done right now. Again we can add more effect. Let us go to effect section, and you can see amplify, audio ducking, bass and treble. I can click bass and treble, and I can select the level of bass I want in my voice. So if I apply right now, the treble will be decreased by -7, no changes will be taken in volume, and the bass will increase by 2 decibel. That is why I would like to increase my bass, but I don't like to decrease my treble. So let be 0, and volume also I don't want any increased volume, so let be 0. Let it 2.0. okay, apply once. It is already applied, don't apply anymore, just listen it.
तू वो नहीं जो तू सोच रहा है, तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है. तेरे अंदर अनंत शक्ति है.
Stop here. Now we can do one more thing. These are all trial and error method. You have to listen every time after applying these effects, so that you can get the best result. So let me try one more. I would like to decrease my treble 2 decibel, and the bass will automatically increase 2 decibel again if I apply, because it is already there +2. So just let me apply here. Yeah, now let me listen. Now treble is decreased by 2 decibel and bass is increased.
तू वो नहीं जो तू सोच रहा है,
Okay, close it.
तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है.
So now we have edited our voice, and we can see the voice are coming through the earphone, and it is very interesting. Now the noise also reduced.
पहचान उसे, निखार उसे, और दिखा दे इस दुनिया को कि तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है, तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है.
Now I can add one more thing if it is required. I just click this portion and let me do fade out, so that volume will reduced. Now listen.
वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है.
If you select by pressing Ctrl A, if you go to effect section, change the pitch. You can able to change your pitch also. Let's see what happens. Preview it. Okay, to listen better, we have to select some specific area to show you.
और दिखा दे इस दुनिया को कि तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा.
So let us change from D sharp to G, and let's see what happens.
और दिखा दे इस दुनिया को कि तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है, तू वो.
So in this way we can change our pitch also, and we can get some cartoony voice. Again. Okay, let's cancel it. I am not going to apply anymore. So you have learned the technique how to record in Audacity and how to edit these files in Audacity. After satisfying all this edit, you have to just export this file into MP3 or WAV form. To do this, we have to go to file section, then click export. You can see here several options are available for exporting. You can export as MP3, it will be low MB file, and if you export in WAV form, it will become a large file, and audio and OGG, this also larger file. So I can get WAV file also, MP3 depends upon you, it doesn't matter anything. Then they will ask me where to save. So I have created a audio file folder in my PC. So I'd like to save here only, and you can change your saving area anytime by clicking this PC. Then you can see every options are available here. You can go to your any drive so that you can select your file in specific folder. So I have selected in D drive. So let me click my D drive folder. Then this is the location I have selected audio file. So let open here, and let me give a quick name for this file. So this is a audio sample. Okay, audio sample. Save it. Then it will come another dialog box. So you can put your name also if you want, or you don't want, it doesn't matter. Just click OK and it will get saved. Now this is saved in your PC. You can listen anytime by going to your PC. You can check, minimize it, then go to the target folder where you have saved the file. So I have saved in my video editing section and project audio file. So you can see audio sample, it is there. Just play it.
तू वो नहीं जो तू सोच रहा है, तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है, तेरे अंदर अनंत शक्ति है, पहचान उसे, निखार उसे और दिखा दे इस दुनिया को कि तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है, तू वो नहीं जो तू दिख रहा है.
So we have done our recording and we have exported the file as a wave file, and also you can see our project is done. So this is for today's lesson, and all the previous videos and after videos are given in my description. Please check description and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can keep yourself updated with my all videos. If you are not understanding anything, you can ask, you can comment and share this video to all teachers, those who are going to produce e-content in the near future. See you, keep learning, stay healthy. Bye bye.